A little, that's all. Now, I think this budget presented on 29th of February 2016 for the financial year 2016-17 in totality is a very good budget. Spends a lot of money for the rural areas, the agriculture, infrastructure in the agriculture field in the rural areas, etc., which itself will, apart from other things, apart from providing relief, for example, farmers who have been committing suicides, apart from that, it will create demand in the rural area. And this is what industry wanted. So there is some talk that what has the corporate sector got? But what did the corporate sector want? Corporate sector pays taxes to the government. We don't want money from the government. A little relief here, a little relief there, those are minor points. I think especially the large companies, the big companies, the major corporate sector, all that we wanted currently in the last year or so was demand for our products. We have excess capacity which we want fully utilized, and then if the demand is still there, then we want to make investments. We've all been, people have been shouting, the government has been worried, there is no investment coming. And why is it not coming? Because there is lack of demand. And I think this budget, it will take time. It can't happen overnight. There is a time lag always between actions and then results. But over a period of time, I think demand should increase, and that will help corporate sector more than some people say, why did 30% not decrease to 29% tax for the corporate sector? That was expected. Yes, I think that was expected. Nobody has committed that, but that was expected. But that 1% के लिए कोई भी responsible corporate चिल्लाएगा नहीं. Thank you very much.